I will show you how to install L3110 and it's very easy to set up. It's multifunctional printing solution for business as well as for home and office. You can even print borderless 4-hour 4x6 print on a glossy paper. Allow the compact and the slick design. Please do take care while removing the tapes. You can print and scan. The copy function that makes it extremely easy to print. Please do not skip the videos. You may miss important part of installation. Power on the printer and click on the ink recharge. For the first time you need to recharge the ink. It has unique key nozzles that fits only into the respective tanks, so enjoy the error-free refilling with individual bottles. Epson says you get 7,500 color copies on one filling and 4,500 black and white copies. So that comes, according to my calculation, it comes to 7 paise per copy of black and white and 18 paise for color. You get 1 year warranty or 30,000 print, whichever comes first. And the maximum copy size is A4 letter. The scan function is optical resolution is 600 to 1200 dpi. You can scan up to A4 size paper. In the next video, I will show you how to enable mobile printing through OTG cable for L3110 if you don't have a Wi-Fi for this printer. You get CD to install along with this. See that it is not connected to internet. because it will search for new updates. So once it is installed, you can connect to internet.
Terms and condition.
So internet is not required. So when it asks for USB connecting for the printer, you can connect the printer and click next. Sometimes you don't see printer because as you are using the previous one, so you need to remove the previous one and go for add printer and scanner on the settings. Double click on the older printers and remove the device.
Mini test page.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.